Adding a myriad of herbs to our broth base is the perfect vehicle for incorporating wellness into our modern lives. There are so many ways to make an herbal broth. Trust your intuition for what your body is currently craving nutritionally. Be creative and use what you have on hand, because this is also a sustainable way to use up all the food scraps for meals throughout the month. Now, the question is, why make an herbal broth? Well, it makes a wonderful sipping beverage with nutritional benefits, a flavorful main ingredient for cooking meals such as soups, stews, or sauces, and it enhances the taste of grains like rice, quinoa, or couscous. You can even splash them in a savory stir-fry dish. Besides the tried and true culinary herbal classics like parsley, sage, thyme, and rosemary, some of our favorites to add are stinging nettles and oat straw for their vitamin and mineral-rich qualities. As always, remember, when you consume this delicious and nutritious herbal broth, honor all the farmers, foragers, and gardeners, including your wonderful self, who worked so hard to bring these herbs to you. For more inspiration on what to add to your own broth, check out our blog at blog.mountainroseherbs.com.